Hey Don, I'm Tom from Thai Landscaping, and in this video we're going to talk about these forks that we made for our little KX018 over there. I couldn't find forks for it. The other thing is, even if I could, I don't think I would have wanted to spend, $1,000–2,000 for forks. So I made these up out of scrap we had here at the house. This is 3x4 angle iron. See right there, 3/8 thick, 3x4. This is a 3-inch channel, also pretty thick. This is the 2 pieces of angle iron welded together to make a box, and then another piece of angle iron coming off the back, so I have plenty of room for the ears. The ears I got from Pocono Metalcraft in Pennsylvania. He cuts these out beautiful, and they go right on. I don't have to play with them. The one trick is to try to find the right angle. It's about like that, just to make sure that you can have full curl, and when I bring the boom all the way up in the air, my pallet is still level. So getting that angle, that was one of the tricks. So we had to make up these forks because we were in a real tight yard. We were doing a front porch and a walkway, and definitely no room to bring our tractor, which has pallet forks. And the other thing was we had no room to have pallets delivered and just work off the ground. So we did this one pallet at a time out of the back of the truck. And so we had the mini sitting, we'd swing over, we'd load the pallet, and we would take it right to where we needed it on the job site. We're going to show that in the video now. So thanks for watching.
All right, those are the pallet forks Tom made for the Mini. Now, since the pallet forks that he made, they have to go on backwards, so he has to do everything in reverse. So it's kind of funny. That's nice. Tom brought him right up to the spot we need him.
So these forks worked awesome. Took me a little bit to get used to it. I'm still getting used to it because the curl part is reversed because they're that way. So that takes a little bit of getting used to, but it worked perfect. Like I said, I was able, like you saw, I was able to just take a row of pavers or blocks and swing them right around and put them exactly where we needed them at the job site. So for this job, this worked great. So the video for this will be up shortly. Okay, thanks for watching.
Sometimes all you need is a smile. Oh yeah. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. Sometimes all you need is a smile to get